What's up, everyone? Matt with Add More Funds here. I want to do a quick video to showcase our newest release that we did last night that's going to make it easier to find new releases in the future, but also showcase what those features are. Now, this recent release was geared more towards our supporters who support us on our website monthly or annually, and you can find out more details about all those features at addmorefunds.com/support. But let's dive right into it. So up here by your nameplate where you see new release, this badge shows up when there's been a new release within the last few days. So when you click it, it'll showcase exactly what the release was when it went out. So our recent release says, update NBA to standard AMF grids with reset, export, and setting for supporters. So some of this is a little bit jargony, and it's what we commit to our deployments to let us know what we changed. So it makes sense to us. So what I want to do is start doing videos like these to help explain what that means to you in forms of user experience and what it'll do for you. So we'll head on over to the NBA WOWY tool set, and we'll see some of the stuff. Now, if you had a custom tab set up, which is a supporter feature for the WOWY tool, you are able to come in here and turn on and off whatever individual stats that you want on your own custom tab. So you'll have to reset that, unfortunately, because deploying this wiped out all those settings, but it will give you a better experience overall, and here's why. So now you have the standard AMF grid that release was talking to. And what that means is we standardized our tables and data sets to use the same code in the NBA tools for WOWY that our NFL tools use, that our MLB tools use. And so you see this table grid with the sort and all that kind of stuff. Also, what it does is allows you to export your view. So not only can you export all, if you go over to shooting tab, for example, and if you're a supporter and say you don't care about all of these toggles, as you can see, you can turn them on or off. So you don't need to have all this on. If you don't care about the field goal attempts, if you don't care about the field goal percentage, if you want to see the possession data, and that type of stuff, you can turn it off too. So it's kind of just whatever view you want on all of these tabs. You can toggle each. Now, some of the more basic data grids, not necessarily the assist metrics, but like, for example, on the metrics, you can turn on and off whatever columns you don't want to see. And then when you're going to export, you can do the current view, which is whatever you filtered down to for the data toggles, or you can do all, which is all the data columns. So you can export this information directly to it. So for example, if you wanted to see the Lakers with Anthony Davis off, not only is our query very quick and very fast, now you can export this data into an Excel sheet and look at it. I think it exports it into a CSV view, and then you can update it and use it however you see fit for your specific needs. We look forward to doing a lot more stuff with integrating other supporter features in this down the road. But that's really what the release from last night did. So if you're not a supporter and you want to support, it's $9.95 a month, $99.95 for annual. Now, a trial user, if you're a new user to the website, you get 3 days of access to all the supporter features for free. And then if you subscribe to those supporter features before the trial expires, you get $5 off your first month or $5 off your first year. Everything's handled in the site now. No more Patreon, no more fuss. It's very quick and easy, and it's streamlined and automated 100% of the way. So you don't have to worry about, pinging us to get updated access to benefits and stuff. So I hope this helps. I hope you guys really like this new release feature. We look forward to adding on to this tool to be able to allow users to vote for new features and make it really much more community driven. So that way you guys can tell us what you want to see on Add More Funds. And then if it's a popular feature, it's as simple as, pushing people to vote for it and having them upvote those features. And we'll get to that point right now. Right now that's handled offsite, and you can still do those types of things. You can still request the features, but it's less streamlined and it's less intuitive, but we look forward to getting there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this information helpful. Look forward to seeing you in our free Slack. Again, sign up for free, no credit card required. Access to all our data is 100% free. You're simply paying for things like dark mode, conditional formatting, and those custom toggles and a variety of other cool features. Also, supporting just helps us make continued enhancements, and you get early access to new tools as they come out. Thanks, and good luck in all your contests.